This is my project submission for the Build with Celo Transform e-commerce hackathon. My project is called MiniRide. It is a ride sharing and delivery service on the Celo blockchain that utilizes MiniPay and Social Connect. So let's. My goal is to try to do this in 4 minutes, and I'll do the power presentation first, and then the walkthrough. So I'll try to go quick to hit that 4 minutes. Okay, so mission. Their goal is to upgrade the traditional ride-sharing architecture with blockchain technology, which brings convenience, security, and equality to the ride-sharing ecosystem. It also allows users to rethink the way that cryptocurrency is being embraced in its role in future transportation. And I believe MiniPay is a great example of how users can be onboarded within an existing infrastructure. So the problem, intermediaries. Intermediaries lack convenience, security, and equality. They have hidden terms and conditions, poor incentive and compensation, and fixed pricing models. Security is inadequate privacy between parties, and handling of sensitive personal data. Equality, lack of financial inclusion, hidden fees, and limited transparency and accountability. Our solution, blockchain. Lower the cost for passengers, increase earnings for drivers, instant and low-cost transactions, global accessibility, security, blockchain-based identities, onboarding Google accounts via Social Connect, secured transactions, equality, full economic transparency using the blockchain ledger. Within MiniRide, we have two services, ride sharing and deliveries. Ride sharing is accessible via MiniRide app on MiniPay. Users select destination. Smart contracts handle the USDC. Google Firebase matches drivers and passengers based on locations. Drivers confirm requests via smart contracts and update Firebase. After the ride, both driver and passenger confirm completion with payment released through the contract. The way the payments are released are through multi-signatures, which also allow for flexibility between disputes. Delivery services. Users access a map of businesses accepting cUSD and registered with MiniPay. View online stores, select products, and purchase via smart contracts in MiniPay. Store location and proof of purchase are logged in Firebase. A driver is paired for delivery. User gets live delivery updates via real-time database. Both driver and users confirm delivery with rating and payment management through the smart contract and stored on the blockchain. Why on MiniPay? Mobile at its core, MiniPay is ready for use. Within Celo's blockchain, you have smart contracts, which allow for ride management and trustless escrows. MiniPay itself incorporates cUSD, which is a native stable token. And MiniPay also offers onboarding of 319 million potential users. It has integrated wallet and Social Connect. You can always contact me or do a fork on my GitHub. All is welcome. All right, so I'm going to go into the demo now. Hopefully I'm still within my time frame. Okay, so we have two phones. I wasn't able to run, well, one's a simulated device. The other one is just regular dimensions through Google. But we're both connected on the DApp. The phone on the right is the passenger app. The phone on the left is the driver. So there's two roles. On the left, I'm going to log in using my phone number to Google's authentication, which then allows me to create requests on Firebase. Okay, got the text. All right, so we have our two services here. We're just going to request a ride. On our right side, we have our balance in cUSD. So what we're going to do is find a pickup location. And then we're going to select a drop-off location. So we're going to just go down the street. Now we're going to calculate our price. And this will also give us the route that is preferred. And now, as of now, we're just using 1 cent for our payment for the ride. We'll confirm that. All right, so now it is confirming with the cUSD smart contract. Sorry, it's confirming, or it's approving cUSD for transfer using our smart contract, with our smart contract. So we'll sign that. Then we have one more. And this is approving the request, the ride request. So on the left side, we'll see another a higher request ID 39 will be emitted. There it is. So as you can see, our price, our destinations, the type of ride, and then we have our TX and the name. So the name right now is just the address of the passenger. So let's click on the TX and you'll see the transaction. It was successful. And it was on, so this is the main net here. And you can see our price and our contract address. Okay. Let's go back. We're going to confirm this request as the driver. Okay, so now the driver will go pick up the passenger, drop him off, and then as the driver, you'll complete the ride. And what this is doing, it is communicating with the multi-sig. So it is adding one signature. It is validating one signature, but we need 2 signatures in order for the payment to be released. That is because a minimum of 2. One is the passenger, the one is the driver. Now you could increase that to 3 to allow for an intermediary to help with cancellations or any sort of dispute in the ride. Okay, so let's just check to make sure this was confirmed. Yep. So now we'll confirm the ride or confirm drop off. We'll sign this transaction, and like I said, this will validate 2 signatures, so the funds will be able to be released to the driver. So here we are, back on the driver. We can now claim our funds. Actually, before I do this, I just want to show the address, the amount. So hold on, here we go. So we got 2 tokens. So this is the wallet address of the driver. You can see our tokens. We have 5 cents as in our cUSD balance. So we'll confirm this transaction, which will allow us to claim our funds. And on the right side, you can see that the passenger is ready to go. He can make another request or go do something else. So it doesn't require the driver. So here we go. So it's confirmed. Let me go look. I'll refresh this. And we'll see we have 6 cents now. So the driver was paid out. And yep. So we're able to claim our funds. So thank you for listening. This is MiniRide. There's a lot of things I want to add to it, improve upon. I mean, it is a hackathon project, right? And it was fun building. Thank you for listening.